Hello. Yes, we want to move on to double integrals and want to see how we can evaluate some examples. So double integrals, we have them here over R. We want to evaluate the whole of this. How the A is given as an area and we have the intervals given. And so we go through it this way. So there's a question and the A is the Y, the X. So we look at the intervals given and then we work accordingly. And we move from the inside to the outside. And so we take the integrals one at a time. So that's what they have done over here. And this, then we take our y. So we are going to integrate with respect to y. So that's why I have added this. So the square bracket has enclosed one integral from 1 to 2. So we add 1, we get 3, we divide 6 by 3, and that takes us to this place. We now slot in our values. So when it's 2, we get 2 raised to the power 3 times this, that will give us 16. And then we put in 1, and so we get 2. So 16 minus 2 gives us 14x. Then we'll move on to the next. So the next is that we are now going to integrate respect to x. We have our 14x, so we add 1 to the power, we get x squared, 14 over 2, so we get 7x squared within the interval is given 2 to 4. And when we compute that, when we put in 4 here, 4 squared times 7, then we put in 2 squared times 7, and so we shall get 84. So that's how we go through that. So look at it carefully. We've been given our R. Then we arrange them nicely this way. Take your time. You take the integrals one at a time until you finish. So that does it for the double integral. Let's look at some questions. So you do them. So this one, our R has been given here. Our R has also been given here. So 2 questions. To solve these 2 questions, you take your time, you do the first integral, you enclose it in a square bracket, and then you move on to the second one. In the same vein, you come to the second question, you deal with the first integral inside, and then you move on to the outside one. Fantastic. Thank you so very much for your attention. Continue to practice and practice and practice, but in a gradual way. And when you do that, and when you solve more questions, underlying integrals, you get grounded and you'll be able to make fantastic headway. I wish you the best on your journey in the area of mathematics. All things are possible as far as mathematics is concerned. You need to practice it several times and you are good to go. Thank you for your time and goodbye.